Hello everyone, and welcome to my fashion and beauty tips channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Get flawless, professional salon-like press-on nail manicures at home, with different methods to ensure long durability and a perfect fit for your nails. Press-on nails are one of the easiest and most affordable ways to get your nails done. Nails that are glued to your natural nails. This is a type of DIY manicure at home to get a salon-like manicure at home, which are available in the form of a kit that includes the nails, nail glue, or double-sided tape with multiple different sizes that perfectly fit your nails. Even if you are a beginner, you can try these 10 tricks for a flawless, professionally done nail and salon-like manicure at home. 1. Prep your natural nails. It's essential and important to start your manicure with clean nails. If your natural nails aren't prepped properly, the glue won't keep those tips in place for long. First, wash your hands with soap and water to get rid of dirt or residue. Then, trim your nails according to your manageable length. Making them short will work the best, as press-on nails will be stable and fit on a balanced surface. Next, use a gentle nail buffer to remove natural shine from the nails to softly smooth the top of each nail so that the press-ons can grip better. A smoother surface will stick better. This step will make a huge difference in how long your press-ons will last. Lastly, brush off the dust from buffing and make sure that your nails are completely dry before moving on to the next step. 2. Prep your nail base. Keeping your nail surface clean is one of the most important things to do before applying press-on nails, which will gently help to push back your cuticles. If the cuticles cover part of the nail plate, your press-ons won't stick and may lift quickly. For this, use a cuticle stick made of silicone or wood, then carefully push your cuticles back towards the base of the nail. Gently proceed with this step, as this might tear down the skin if done carelessly. This process will help to smoothen the area and also make your manicure look cleaner and more polished. 3. Perfect size. In order for your nails to look flawless and perfectly fit, the size of the nail matters. It's important that the nail fit well. Start by laying off press-on nails and comparing them to each of your nails. It should cover your nail from side to side without overlapping onto your skin, and it must not be too small that it leaves a gap on your nails, nor too big. If you find that the nail is too wide, use a grit nail file and gently file the sides of the press-on by following the curve of your natural nail until it fits perfectly. It's also important that two nails on both sides look the same shape and size as each other. Tailor the look until it fits perfectly. This will help to keep your manicure lasting longer without any lifting of your nails. 4. Use alcohol wipes. For perfectly prepped nails, in order to remove any oil or residue from the surface, use alcohol wipes or nail cleanser to remove any particles remaining on nails because of lotion or hand cream you put on your skin. Take a wipe and gently rub it over the entire nail surface, making sure to cover every corner and side of your nail. This will help to remove dirt and leftovers from filing and buffing. Once done, make it completely dry and clean to make the press-ons stick stronger and to make them stay in place. Avoid touching your nails with fingers after wiping them down, as the skin has the possibility to transfer natural oil onto the nail. 5. How to apply glue. It might seem that applying glue might be easy, but a simple technique can make a huge difference. To make your press-on nail last, apply a small drop of nail glue on the backside of the press-ons, not only on the natural nail. This process will make the glue stick evenly and help to create a bond between your nail and press-ons. When you're placing your press-on, make it align with your cuticle and press it down gently. Then press more firmly for a few seconds to make sure that the glue spreads evenly and that the bubbles aren't trapped beneath. Avoid using too much glue, as it might lead to making a mess and will take time for the glue to dry. 6. Press and hold. Once you have applied the glue, carefully position your press-on nail. Place the press-on at the base of your natural nail, making it aligned with your cuticle, and make it stick on the nail. Then press down firmly for at least 20 to 30 seconds, which will make the glue spread evenly and create a strong bond. Pressing firmly will also help to eliminate the bubbles, which may make an uneven surface. Press gently from the center outward to the edges to ensure that the nail sticks tightly. Once you lift your finger, wiggle your nail for a few minutes to let the glue stick fully. 7. File and shape. After your nails are fully set, by using a fine grit nail file, gently smooth the sides and tip of each nail into the shape you desire to make, either square, almond, coffin, or any style you like. File the nail in one direction. Avoid sawing back and forth, which might lead to small cracks in the press-on. This step will make your manicure look more natural and personalized. Shaping them will not only make them look polished, but also it creates a personalized style. Shaping and filing your nails will help you to achieve your desired seamless look. 8. Seal with a top coat. Apply a thin, even layer of clear top coat over the entire nail, and allow it to dry completely after the press-on nails are applied and shaped. Top coat not only adds shine but also acts as a protective barrier to prevent chipping, scratching, and lifting of nails. This extra layer will help to keep your nails maintaining the look, making it fresh, and adds long-lasting structure to the nail, making it durable. Applying a top coat every few days a week will make it last long. For the nails to give a long-lasting shine and effect, choose a quick-dry or gel-style top coat. This process will help to elevate your manicure look. 9. Avoid water. You might want to wash your hands just after the nails are done, but in order to keep your nails long-lasting and durable, at least keep your nails completely dry for 1 to 2 hours after the press-on nail has been put on. This will make the glue fully set. Avoid water or steam, as excessive moisture can weaken the glue used. If you are required to use water, then wear gloves to protect your nails. By taking up this step, you will make your nails stay strong, smooth, and fresh and last longer for days. 10. Remove gently. To remove your press-on nails, take time to do so instead of pulling them off. Soak your nails in warm, soapy water for some minutes. The warmth and moisture will help to soften the glue, making the press-on easier to remove without causing any harm to the nails. The moisture will soften the glue, making it easier to remove without causing any harm. So what do you guys think about this update? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like my videos, please press like and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time.